One of the most popular types of videos on the internet today are health-related videos. And it's not just me, billions of people around the world love watching them. These videos rack up millions of views across social media, and channels in this niche are generating tens of thousands of dollars, even when starting from 0 followers. Take this channel, for example, 500,000 plus subscribers with only 83 videos, yet it has already pulled in 60 million views and brings in over $2,000 every month. Then there's another channel with just 89.5K subscribers that has somehow racked up more than 15 million views. Most of their videos are simple, stock footage clips with a voiceover. Not only can you earn from YouTube views, but there are multiple ways to monetize this content. Affiliate marketing, e-commerce stores, sponsored content, and more. The average RPM in the health niche is $5 to $8, which means that even if your videos get 500,000 to 600,000 views, you could be earning over $10,000 per month just from ads. The audience for this niche is massive. After all, who doesn't want to improve their health? And viewers are highly likely to buy health-related products, such as supplements or natural herbs. Simply head over to ClickBank or Digistore24, find health products, and add your affiliate links to your video descriptions. Every purchase generates passive income for you. Now let's have a look at the video I made in 10 minutes.
10,000 steps. It sounds simple, right? But what if this daily habit could boost your brain, transform your body, and even add years to your life? Today we'll uncover what really happens to your body when you walk 10,000 steps every single day. Whether you're chasing better energy, weight loss, or sharper focus, walking might be the easiest and most underrated tool for transformation. Let's break down exactly what happens to your body, step by step. As you begin your first steps, blood flow increases, your joints warm up, and oxygen levels rise. Your brain starts producing dopamine, the feel-good hormone, giving you a natural morning lift. As your walk continues, your body starts burning stored glucose, stabilizing your blood sugar. You feel more alert, focused, and ready for the day. By this stage, your body starts tapping into fat reserves for energy. Endorphins kick in, reducing stress and anxiety levels. As you cross 8,000 steps, your heart and lungs work in perfect sync. You're strengthening your cardiovascular system, improving lung capacity, and reducing risk of heart disease. Do it daily for 30 days, and you'll notice a difference. Better sleep, sharper focus, improved mood, and a leaner body. Your stamina builds, and your mind feels calmer. So tomorrow morning, don't scroll your phone, step outside. Your future self will thank you for every step you take today.
Now, let's assume you've created your YouTube channel. The next step is to find ideas for your videos. Simply copy the prompt from this video's description and paste that into ChatGPT's prompt box and hit generate. Boom, you will instantly get 10 high-performing health niche topics to choose from. These topics are proven to attract high views and strong RPM, perfect for faceless YouTube videos with both trending and evergreen potential. I am going with this one. Once you've chosen your topic, insert your selected topic directly into the second prompt and then copy and paste that prompt in the ChatGPT prompt box. ChatGPT will create a script that is fully tailored to your chosen topic, ensuring your content is focused, engaging, and ready for faceless production. Here's your script in a detailed format, complete with suggested B-rolls and voiceover lines. You can copy and paste this script directly into a Google Doc to keep everything organized. Next, let's head over to Heygen, where we'll create a ready-made doctor avatar with voiceover to make our health video more engaging and professional. There are 2 ways to create your doctor avatar in Heygen. You can either upload a picture of yourself or generate a new avatar using AI. For now, we'll use the ready-made avatars available on Heygen, which are copyright-free and ready to use for your video. Click on Avatar and then select Public Avatar. You'll see a variety of pre-made avatar categories to choose from, including professional, lifestyle, UGC, and community. Choose an avatar that best matches your script and fits the theme of your channel. For a health video, pick one that looks professional and trustworthy, like a doctor or wellness expert. Once you've selected your avatar, the next step is to copy the narrator sections from your script, which we previously saved in the Google Doc. These will be used as the dialogue for your avatar in Heygen. Preview your video footage, and if you're happy with the voice and timing, simply hit generate. and boom, your video is ready. Now, it's time to collect visuals that will make your video stand out. There are two main ways to get your visuals. Use stock footage from free or paid libraries. Generate custom visuals with AI for a more personalized touch. With these methods, you can create stunning, professional-looking videos without ever picking up a camera. The quickest and simplest option is using stock videos. Many websites provide high-quality footage at no cost, while others offer premium clips for a small fee. Some excellent free stock footage sites are Pixabay.com, Pexels.com. These platforms give you access to thousands of crisp, royalty-free videos that fit perfectly into health and fitness content. To find the perfect visuals, simply search using keywords that match the scenes in your script. For instance, if your video is about boosting the immune system, you could look for clips showing healthy meal preparation, or people exercising or doing yoga, or doctors offering guidance or natural remedies like herbs, fruits, or teas. Once you've gathered the right footage, download and organize each clip based on your script segments. This makes the editing process smoother and ensures your visuals flow seamlessly with the voiceover. If you know the right tools, you can also create high-quality visuals without ever picking up a camera. The tool I'm about to show you takes things to the next level. Copy the visuals or B-roll part from your script, and let's head over to Hailuo AI. Now paste the visuals or B-roll part from the script in the prompt section and click Create Video. Boom, and just like that, your high-quality video is ready. Now follow this process to generate visuals using Hailuo AI, or if you prefer, download free stock footage to match your script. With all your visuals prepared, the next step is piecing everything together to create a professional-looking video. Even if you've never edited before, don't worry. I'll walk you through the process step by step so your video stays engaging from start to finish. And the best part? You can do it completely free of charge. There are lots of editing tools available, but for this tutorial, we'll be using CapCut. It's simple to use, free, and powerful enough to create high-quality YouTube content. Click the link in the description to download CapCut for your computer, or you can use the web version, which works just as well. Open CapCut and create a new project, then import your voiceover along with all the visuals, both stock footage and AI-generated clips. Drag the voiceover onto the timeline as your base layer, then start adding the visuals one by one, aligning them carefully with the script so everything matches perfectly. To make your video look smooth and professional, click on Animations on the top right corner, then select the clip and choose the animation to apply over the clip. You can apply a filter as well to give it a clear and realistic feel. Now click on Captions, select English as the language and click Generate. Captions are crucial for boosting watch time and retention. Studies show that adding captions can increase retention by up to 25%, which can be the difference between 100 views and 1 million. Once everything is edited, it's time to export your video. Click Export in the top right corner, choose 1080p resolution for the best quality, and hit Export. Your faceless YouTube video will be ready in just a few minutes. And that's it. You've just created a complete faceless YouTube video using AI. Now it's time to take action. The only difference between those making money with YouTube automation and those who aren't is execution. Start applying what you've learned today, and you'll be one step closer to building a successful channel. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more automation strategies, and drop a comment if you have any questions. That's it for now. See you in the next one.